Kiroko kia umuthi kamite ya ugima wa mwiri ya bunge ni mageire na giikaro na ruhonge rwa NHIF guthurima na gutaukwo uria ruhonge ruru rukoretwo rukiruta wira. Hende ya giikaro giki kamite ino ni yendire kumenya gitumi gia thibitari cia andu kiumbe gukorwo ikigunika na gicunji kia 65 hari 100 makiria gukira thibitari cia thirikari, na gicunji-ini giki kia 65 thibitari igiri cia andu kiumbe ikoretwo ikigunika na gicunji kia 40 hari 100, nacio thibitari cia makanitha ikigunika na gicunji gia 15, nacio thibitari cia thirikari ikagunika na gicunji gia 19 hari 100.
The way it is a lot of curative, but it's because it is more of insurance, and what we said, we have to match the contributions to the benefits.
Na thengia wa gukorwo andu aria merutagira kurihira kandi ya NHIF ni gicunji gia 15 hari 100, no gukoretwo na kigiina gikoretwo gikiura. Bodi ya NHIF ikiuga ni gukoretwo na aruti wira mathibitari makoretwo makihuthira ndumiriri cia andu na gukungia waara mitambo-ini ya NHIF na itanya ria kwiguna na kigiina kiu hatari murwaru marigitite.
The majority of leakages are in fraud, misuse, overuse, impersonation, paying for claims of people who are not covered, and that can be dealt with partially by the system, but it will have to be dealt with heavily by changing the corporate culture of NHIF.
That some of those hospitals are registering a finger or two of either the receptionist or the accountant, so they can use that to transact.
We've not been having a surplus. It was initially negative, meaning they were making losses. Then for the last 2 years, they made 3.2 billion. Last year, financial year, it made 2.7 billion. So you can look at that and establish that behind there were serious leakages.
Ruhonge ruru rwa NHIF rugite rukoretwo na aruti wira nini aria matangihota gutungatira andu othe ihinda-ini riria riagiriire, na amwe a aruti wira aya matiandikitwo wira kugerera mitaratara iria yagiriire amu matwaritwo kuo na njira cia uteti.
NHIF is a government institution that historically has a lot of political baggage, in the sense that the majority of the people who have been employed here or brought by a politician or the other, those people decided there will be no leakage. We'll need to deal with some of them, and it will be a big job, but we will need the protection of you members of parliament to make sure that when we make those hard decisions, we can run to you.
Amemba aya ni moritie ruhonge ruru kuiganania marihi hari motungata maria mahanaine, na oho gutigirira thibitari iria iri matura-ini ni ciekirwo mubango-ini wa NHIF, kuona thibitari nyingi ona ciihuria gukorwo rungu rwa NHIF ni cioyaga ihinda ingikahitukio. Ruhonge ruru rwa NHIF rugite makoretwo makihuthira kigiina makiria hari kuriha ngarama ya urigitani kuri muingi, no kigiina kiria marogotaga ni kinini. Ona kuri uguo NHIF yugite ni kurutithania wira na kamite ino ya bunge guthinga marima maria makoretwo ho niguo mahote gutungatira muingi wothe wa bururi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, nie njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.